To open your Inventory Lab calculation settings, click on your account name in the upper right, then choose Settings. Finally, select Calculations from the left side of the screen. You can also get here in just one click from Scout. Hit the gear icon next to the profit calculator, and voila, you're here. You'll see two sets of calculation settings: Scouting Profit Calculator Defaults and Inbound FBA Shipping Rate. If you're looking for the Total Cost Calculator toggle, you'll want to go to the List settings instead. All of the settings on this screen affect the numbers on the Profitability tab in both Scout and Scoutify. For example, let's say you're stuck paying a state sales tax when sourcing your items. If you enter the rate as the sales tax rate in Settings, then the actual amount you had to pay will appear in the Tax Incurred field under Expenses. This is then used for calculating your total expenses and net profit. Note that it is only applied here in your sourcing expenses. It's worth noting that the inbound FBA shipping rate also affects lists. You'll see it at the bottom of the screen and find it under Shipping Estimate. This will then affect estimates like your net profit. If you need to edit these settings while on the street, no problem. You can manage them directly in Scoutify. Tap the Settings button in the lower right corner and scroll down to the Shipping, Taxes, and Discounts section. You'll also see Amazon fees right below that. These are arranged and labeled differently than they are in the calculation settings, but they are the same for settings. If you change them in Scoutify, the new numbers will appear in Inventory Lab after you refresh your screen. If you change them in Inventory Lab, you'll generally see the new numbers a short time later in Scoutify. Normally, all the changes autosave in both Inventory Lab and Scoutify. However, if you're active in both apps at the same time, you may see Reset and Save Changes buttons appear in Inventory Lab. You'll have to confirm your decisions by saving. The more accurate your numbers are, the more accurate your profitability estimates will be. Review and update this screen regularly to save time and make better decisions while sourcing and listing.